The LG C1 has an elegant design. It's got a super thin display with the thinnest part of the TV coming in at 0.1 inch thick. Now that's thinner than this iPhone right here. There's also little to no bezels on the display, which I'd say makes this TV look more premium, and this nice looking stand just ties the whole look up together. On the back panel is where you'll find all of the ports. It has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports with one of them supporting eARC. It's got 3 USB ports, an optical port, a headphone jack, an Ethernet port, and for wireless connectivity it has Bluetooth 5.0. This TV is also wall mountable, and overall I think the LG C1 has a modern futuristic design that's going to look good for years to come. As for the display, it's a 4K OLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. This one right here is the 48-inch model, but for anyone that wants a bigger TV, it also comes in 4 other sizes, which are 55-inch, 65-inch, 77-inch, and 85-inch. I decided to get the 48-inch model because I wanted to put this in my room. It's kind of a tight space and it fits in perfectly here. The C1 supports Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos. Dolby Vision IQ intelligently adjusts picture settings based on the content and ambient surroundings, while Dolby Atmos transforms basic stereo sound and upscales it to virtual 5.13 dimensional surround sound. The AI upscaling is going to be one of the first features LG introduces in the setup process, and all I can say is that it does make a difference, a pretty big one at that. So while we're talking about the AI upscaling and how it transforms it into a surround sound, the speakers on this TV is by far one of the better sounding speakers I've heard on a TV. It even sounds better than my 75-inch 7 series Samsung 4K TV. And yeah, like just for casual viewing, this speaker in my experience has been more than good enough to watch movies and play games in. It sounds good. Even the bass on this speaker is good. Like I can kind of feel it vibrating when, you know, the bass kicks in. It's a good speaker. I was surprised by how good this speaker was.
During a crash, wheelie or stoppie, the motorbike status check isn't available.
The LG C1 has excellent picture quality, vibrant, accurate colors, which you can of course adjust to your liking. The OLED display brings 4K to life compared to other LED TVs like my 7 series Samsung TV, so if I had to choose, I'd go with the C1 any day over my Samsung TV. It's a whole new experience watching content on this LG C1 coming from an LED TV. Even though the 7 series Samsung TV is a 4K TV, it just does not come close to the picture quality of an OLED TV. Gaming on this TV has also been a great experience, especially since it supports 4K at 120Hz with a 1 millisecond response time. It has a dedicated game optimizer setting where you can toggle between G-Sync and FreeSync, adjust the white stabilizer, black stabilizer, and turn on or turn off VRR. The UI on the LG C1 is pretty user-friendly. The Magic Remote makes it a breeze to navigate through the WebOS, while the A9 Gen 4 processor 4K makes it a snappy experience navigating through it, though it can feel a little sluggish at times. With the C1 having a glass display, it is quite reflective, but I did not find it to be an issue in my particular use. I even tried using it in a room with a lot of windows, and the TV was still comfortably visible. As for the brightness, it gets bright enough, so no major complaints here. I guess the only catch here is that if you have a window directly facing the TV, you will definitely see the glare, but try not to do that. Also, this TV has great viewing angles. I can view it from any angle, and it looks just the same. Here are some other features available on this TV. It supports Apple AirPlay 2, it has Google Voice Assistant as well as Alexa built in. It has a filmmaker mode. This is where the TV turns off motion smoothing while preserving the original aspect ratios, colors, and frame rates to accurately deliver the director's original vision. So basically you experience the film the way it was intended. So overall, the LG C1 is a great TV for gamers with next-gen consoles or for anyone looking to get top-tier TV performance without breaking the bank. So that about wraps up this video. The LG C1 is an amazing OLED TV, and I'll leave it right here. So talk to you next time. Peace.
TACOM, need UAV eyes on. Threat neutralized. Fire breakdown. Bring the ping.
It sounds good.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Going for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are on that time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, in traffic.